In today's video, I'll show you how to bulk delete Yahoo emails. This is a huge time saver if your inbox is cluttered and you want to remove multiple emails at once. Let's get started. First, go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your Yahoo email address in the provided field and click Next. Now enter your password and click Next again to sign in. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Yahoo Mail inbox. From here, decide which emails you want to delete. If you only want to remove a few messages, you can manually select individual emails. However, if you want to delete many emails at once, click the Select All checkbox at the top. This will select all emails currently visible on the page. After selecting the emails, click the Delete icon. All selected messages will be removed from your inbox and moved to the trash folder. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply click OK to proceed. Keep in mind that deleted emails stay in the trash for a limited time before being permanently removed. If you're clearing emails for privacy or storage reasons, you may want to empty the trash as well. And that's it. You've successfully bulk deleted emails on Yahoo Mail, making your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. Regular inbox maintenance can help improve organization and boost productivity. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides.